Welcome to the Realty Plus Real Talk series, where we talk to industry experts for their honest views and opinions and real facts and figures. And I'm Sapna Srivastava, editor for Realty Plus. And today we have with us someone who is stated to have innovation and creating something out of the box in his DNA. We have with us Mr. Chitrak Shah, who is the co-founder and managing director for Shivalik Group, which is based in Ahmedabad in Gujarat. And he is also the vice president for Guy Head Credai, which represents the real estate developers of Gujarat. Mr. Shah, a very warm welcome to you.
Hi, Sapna.
So, Mr. Shah,
Thank
you've
you.
been in real estate for 25 years now almost.
Right.
In the current scenario, just give us a sense of how Gujarat real estate is performing. Because in other cities, we have seen, there's a lot of inventory overhang, demand is low, and, there's a lot
Right.
of occupancy, vacancies of occupancy in commercial. How is Gujarat real estate
See, there are two ways to see it in Gujarat. Like people are checking that there are a few people who are checking the deals. Maybe they are getting some deals, then they might convert. And there are few users who actually felt that houses were small during the pandemic time, the lockdown time. So they are literally buying. So the right now the whatever inquiries which we are getting, they're actual buyers. So either they need a flexible payment plan, but they are converting.
going?
And if you take the commercials, then ready property deals are being happen. I think we are averagely selling weekly 5 to 6 units with the Shivalik. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. So
Yeah.
probably I think it is because, as you mentioned, it is the users who are genuinely interested. Now they are in the market. It is not the investors
Right.
who are just checking the properties. It is who are genuinely wanting to buy. Also,
There are few also.
hmm,
Yeah, there are few investors also who might get the deal, but that deals are not available in the market. Or maybe if they are getting the deal, then they might be loose on the brand, maybe the location or the product. So it
hmm.
might be inferior product or maybe the old inventory or maybe so chances are less.
Okay. Okay. Any tips
Yeah.
that you would like to give at this point for investors as well as home buyers?
See, I'll tell you, if the real users wanted to buy, then the lowest banks, the lowest interest banks are giving right now.
Correct.
And this time the developers are giving flexible payment plan. They are not giving discounts as if, but
Hmm.
because right now if you see the Gujarat, then a lot of FSIs have been given, a lot of taxes has been implemented like RERA, GST including. So I'm expecting next year the prices will rise,
Okay.
so it is the right time to buy.
Okay. And for investors, what kind of properties they should be investing in?
So you can't always check the deepest thing. At least you should keep going, because the properties is like, even though if you are not using, it might happen that the market will pick up and you will not get the bottom price. So this is the correct price. Developers might give a few benefits in terms of the payment plans. There are a few payment plans like 2-3 महीने में जो payment करना था, they might take 5-6 months, but discounts there is no chance.
Okay, okay, fantastic. Also, like I mentioned, you've been in real estate for quite a long time, and you have been creating commercial projects as well as residential projects. So you have,
Right.
the sense of how projects are happening. And in last few months, we have seen new trends, work from home, education, online education. People are shopping from home more, social
Right.
distancing in public places. How all these
Right.
new trends are now changing the product for the real estate developers.
See, the work from home, or maybe the IT companies were used to work from home. Even if you do the shopping, the women's like doing the workout, then kids like Baiju, An
Hmm.
Academy, as the
Hmm.
example. The people used to study, the kids were used to study at home, but now the schools are also pushing. So the market share जो था लोगों का जो वो बढ़ गया in terms of the technology use. So
Hmm.
in newly project, the ones we are launching at Panjrapur, we have incorporated half bedroom size, where
Okay.
where it is activity room, maybe you can say a work from home room, maybe the study room, maybe the yoga or gym room. So
Hmm.
yeah, the half room, the will be the, maybe the people will add, the developer will add as an activity room, as an extra space.
Okay. Otherwise, also in terms of, because now people are staying at home so much, so they don't
Right.
want more space, they want more greenery. In that those terms, also residential projects में कुछ developers changes ला रहे हैं.
Yeah, so the greenery and everything, that is always a common plot area, the environmental requirement, there are green buildings as well. So yeah, greenery is the part of the common facilities. Even though if you want to add the value as a
Mhm.
landscaping, then you can also always have a hard landscaping inside your houses. So that is up to your own individual choice. Otherwise, the developers are making the best efforts to give the environment to the end customer, and it is day by day increasing.
It is. जैसे a lot of people now standalone buildings से ज़्यादा now they prefer townships, integrated
Right.
townships. Yes. तो गुजरात में भी इस तरह का, are you seeing people moving to suburbs now? The interest of
No,
cities
right now,
happening
right,
there?
right now, Gujarat is not that big area. Even though if you want to, like Ahmedabad, if you want to go anywhere from anywhere, then it hardly takes 25-30 minutes. So
Okay.
it is not that is like, it is not the issue like the metros are having. But yeah, right
Hmm.
now there are few 3-4 townships are there. They are taking shape. Like Applewood hai, Godrej hai, Adani hai, then Sevi hai. There are a few townships. It is being taking place.
Any projects that you would mention from Shivalik Group which are coming up?
Right now, we are launching Panjrapul and the at Sai Bagh
Mhm.
and near Bodakdev.
Okay, these will be residential projects.
Yeah, this will be the residential, the mixed use, the three projects which we are launching next couple of months.
Okay, fantastic. So there'll be also mixed use, integrated everything, residential, shopping, and office spaces.
Yes,
That's fantastic.
yes,
So,
yes,
like you
Swapnil.
mentioned, technology now, it's taking over our lives, whether it is personal or professional. So, how
Right.
how do you see this role of technology changing real estate? Because real estate till now was not used, known as very technology oriented. But you are one of the
Right.
persons who's been, always been in technology and innovation segment. So, how do you see that thing changing in real estate?
So if you see the construction, then there are a prefabricated technology are there. Maybe
Mhm.
and if you see the marketing, then people are moving the digital from the traditional media.
Mhm.
If you see the utilities, then people are shifting to the tech in terms of the ERP Lelo. Then in the terms of the security, like the MyGate or maybe some other smart
Mhm.
town facilities are implementing. So yeah, it is still premature stages because there are a lot of people are trying 360-degree virtuals like are right now there are people are trying to book online, make the platforms to book the apartment online. So yeah, there are a lot of things are going on. So I think in next couple of months or maybe in a year time, you will be able to see a lot of changes in the technology along with the real estate.
Okay, so this is going to stay. Even once pandemic is over, real estate has
Yeah,
changed
yeah, yeah.
now.
Yeah,
Okay.
because with the technology, you get each and every detail from your home only. So whenever you are visiting the sample house, then earlier it used to take 1.5 hour, 2 hour to have the glance of the sample house. Right now, you can surf everything, you get all the data, and then within 5 to 10 minutes, you can just have a look of the sample house, and you are done.
Okay.
So
So
that
how
that helps already.
how Shivalik Group is doing? How you are managing your sales? What are your strategies?
So we are incorporating technology everywhere. If you take the work from home, say like if you see the digital media, we have increased the digital marketing by 4 to 5 times than the traditional marketing. Yeah, so we are getting a lot of leads, lot of tractions. So yeah, digital is taking the good role and good future of the marketing as well.
In construction also, you are now
Construction, yeah,
incorporating.
construction. We are trying, like we were exploring the prefabricated engineering, the construction engineering in the bungalow. But I think there are still few challenges are there in terms of the customer side, in terms of the consultant side, like the structure engineer, architecture side. Yeah, but
Mhm.
slowly it will take over.
Yeah, it's all the stakeholders will have to be on the same page.
Yeah,
I think
yeah, yeah.
that is
Even
true.
the labor, the workforce also the issue right now.
Yes, yes.
Adaptability of the technology is also issue.
Right, right. That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
So, as I mentioned, you are also vice president for Guy Head Credai, and you have been talking to the authorities and the government on many issues. So, what is the conversation right now with the government? Because developers everywhere are facing liquidity challenges. Stamp duty is one of the things that everyone is asking, debate on. and delays in projects, RERA. So what is the conversation right now with the government?
See, government is also trying push to survive the real estate. Like they have given 6 months extra time for the completion of the project in terms of the RERA. Then we were expecting the stamp duty benefit, but I think we have not got that. But the corporation taxes, the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation has done the rebate for during the pandemic lockdown benefit. So yeah, there are a few things which government are also pushing. Like they are right now they are busy with implementing 2.0, RERA 2.0.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see how it is taking shape, but it is tough call. Yeah.
So what are the challenges, other challenges that the developers are facing, like you mentioned? There are a few.
See, if you see that right now the challenges is like the people are afraid to visit the site. Not all, like the senior people, the decision makers. If you see the bigger ticket size, then there are senior citizens are involved, like the parents. If you take
Correct.
the kids, if you take, so they are involved. So they are not visiting the site. Normally, the young people or the young couple are only visiting the site. So the decisions which normally used to be happening, like it is not coming so fast.
So the intent is there. People want to buy,
Right.
but there
Right.
are, because of the current crisis that is happening, so people are little, wait and watch, or probably are delaying their decision. So, on concluding this conversation, what is, you are known as someone who has a long-term vision for everything. So what is your
Okay.
vision for the Shivalik Group, beyond this pandemic? ये तो आज है, कुछ time के लिए है,
Right.
but आगे क्या? So what is your strategy for future?
See, we are doing backward forward integrations. Like we have started redevelopment before 2 3 years. We have started our infrastructure company like L&T and all are there. Like it is a long term vision. So whatever things required to push the real estate faster in terms of the quality and the speed. So we are doing that size because we want to grow multifold instead of growing percentage wise. So the
Okay.
target which we are expecting, it is 18 to 20 times in next 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
So to achieve that, we are doing the maximum efforts for the backward and forward integrations.
Oh, that's, I think, good news. Backward integration. So you are not dependent on other agencies. So
Right.
so that's a good news. And also for Gujarat real estate, how do you see the future? Because a lot of things have been, as you mentioned, government is also doing it. There are 7 town planning schemes that were recently approved,
Right. Right.
stimulus packages that have been given. So how do you see the future of real estate in Gujarat for the developers?
See, if you see the Gujarat or Ahmedabad, then they are the business people ka town hai, business people ka state hai. If you take that way, I think the largest, the rich people. If you see the maximum amount of the rich people are maybe in the top 4 cities. Like Ahmedabad is
Entrepreneurs, it is
one
called
of
the
them.
city of entrepreneurs. Yeah.
Yes, you can say that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you see Gujarat, there are a lot of companies, lot of automobiles, lot of tech companies are even the planning in the city. So there are a lot of developments are there. Even the government is very supportive. Even if you take the smallest city to the biggest city, government is also pushing. The development is also happening. Even as CM Rupani sir is also taking initiative to push the real estate sector as fast as possible. Yeah. So there are a lot of things are happening into the Gujarat. And the CM is also clearing one by one TP town planning scheme, and he's also initiating to take it more faster and faster.
So the future is bright for real estate in Gujarat,
Yes.
as we can conclude from this.
Yeah.
Anything
Yeah.
else that you would like to add? How, going forward, as you mentioned, that technology is now going to stay here forever. So
Right.
on closing note, how real estate is going to change forever after this pandemic?
See, I don't think so. The few things will remain same. Like ट्रेडिशनल 50-60 साल से 100 साल से जो रियल एस्टेट में हो रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है, बिक रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है, बिक रहा है, that will remain same. But yeah, the speed in terms of the technology, like the prefab, as I told you, the marketing pattern, then the tech pattern in terms of the maintenance or the security level, that will keep enhancing. But yeah, typical will be the same. Material will be keep changing, like the green buildings, sustainable buildings, like solar, the technology will keep changing, but basic will remain same. Because anything you wanted to do, even the factory, even though like the bigger apartment, the work from home culture, you need a square feet. Either you take the commercial, either you take the warehouses, either you take the square feet. So yeah, there is always a good market for the real estate, and it is a long term game. Like you can't say mutual fund में पैसा डाल दिया कल सुबह बढ़ जाएगा. You have to wait for at least a year, maybe 1 decade, at least 5 years, because it is a generation to generation requirement. Like normally my father used to give me a few property, I normally give to my kid. So that's how the property works. You can't expect short term return from the real estate.
Right, right. So I believe like every cloud has a silver lining. So this pandemic also has a silver lining in terms that, it is bringing out some good changes. Like you mentioned, technology becomes a big factor in it. And I think people
Right.
are now realizing that, yes, real estate is something which is going to stay here, financial security. So
Right.
thank you, Mr. Shah, for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you,
I think,
Sabina.
our viewers have got some positive vibes from what you have just mentioned, that future is bright
Thank you.
and this is a short-term phase that we are going through,
Thank you.
and we'll definitely
Thank
be out of it very soon. Thank you, Mr. Shah,
Thank
for
you,
being here
Sapna.
with us.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye.